Hey friends, all right, this is our number skill K5 page 19 and 20. All right, so it says on number 1, fill in the circle under the number your teacher says. All right, so I want you to fill in the circle below the number 7. 7. All right, now Cinder's going to do it and see if you got the right one, okay? Good. All right, that's the number 7. All right, next I want you to fill in the number right over here in this green oval. I want you to fill in the circle under the number 6. 6. Good. The number 6 is right in the middle. All right, now look at the pink oval. We are going to fill in the circle under the number 3. 3. Good. All right. Look at the blue oval. We're going to fill in the circle under the number 10. 10. Look at the purple oval. We're going to fill in the circle under the number 4. 4. Look at the orange oval. Fill in the circle under the number 5. 5. All right. Now down here it says trace and write. So we're going to trace the number 1. Start at the top and down you run. That's the way you make a 1. Number 2. Make a candy cane, give it a chew. That's the way you make a 2. Number 3. Around and around just like a bee. That's the way you make a 3. Number 4. Down and over and down some more. That's the way you make a 4. Are you ready? Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Good. All right. And then over on the back, it says find and circle the hidden numbers, color the picture. All right. So let's look very careful. You're going to find some numbers. All right. So let's look for the number 3. Can you find the number 3? Ooh, I see it. Right there. Can you find the number 5? Ooh, right here. Can you find the number 4? 4. Right here. Can you find the number 8? 8. Can you find the number 9? 9. This is kind of fun. All right. Can you find the number 10? 10. Ooh, I see it. It's right there. Can you find the number 6? 6. Ooh, I found it. There it is. Can you find the number 1? It's a little tricky. I almost did not even see it. Number 1. Here. Can you find the number 2? 2. Good. All right, guys. There may be some more. See if you can find them. And then color your picture. Bye.